Salut tout le monde, maintenant on va continuer avec l'autre de deux épreuves facultatives. Now, hi everyone, today we are going to be continuing with the other of the two types of the optional test of the TEF Canada examination. Maintenant, ça c'est l'expression orale, and that is actually the speaking skill, the speaking test. Maintenant, il y a deux sections aussi dans l'expression orale. There are also two main sections of the oral expression, which is the speaking skill. Et la durée de cette épreuve est juste 35 minutes. And the duration of this test is just 35 minutes. 35 minutes. Alors, la première section a l'objectif de recueillir des informations auprès d'un interlocuteur et poser des questions. Here, you are going to be recueillir des informations. You are going to be actually gathering informations auprès d'un interlocuteur, which is going to be close to what you are going to be saying or what you are going to be asking from the examiner. Poser des questions, you are going to be asking the examiner some questions related to the information you were able to gather in the text that you are actually being given. And type the text, type the document support. The kind of supporting document you are going to be given is announcement, letters, publicity materials. Maybe for instance, you are giving a kind of announcement that is maybe fait part. Fait part is also a kind of announcement, but it's different from petite annonce. You understand? Things like that. Maybe you are giving journal, maybe a newspaper. Those are still part of publicity. Also, you have tableau chiffré, numbered tables. Sometimes you may be giving something related to the educational line. You understand? To actually look into what you are being given and to ask questions based on what the information that we're actually given in it. Maintenant, section B. Pour la section B, l'objectif de section B est présenter localement le contenu d'un document. And here you are going to actually be presenting orally the content of a document. Lors d'un bref exposé. Now you'll be giving the content, but you will not be giving it exactly the way it is, because that's not going to be a test. Rather, you are going to be giving it while making use or while giving a kind of brief exposition of what you understand by what is actually in the text. Maintenant, aussi, the other objective of this section, l'autre objectif de cette section est argumenter pour convaincre. Here you are going to be arguing to actually convince someone about who défendre or even to defend, either to convince or to defend some point of view, your own point of view, et apprécier et comparer some point of view. Here you are going to also be appreciating, or you are going to be comparing your own point of view to the point of view that is actually given earlier. Now, the type de document support, the kind of document, the supporting document you would have to do this est sondage. Son sondage are opinion polls, dessin, designs, graphic designs, extrait d'articles de presse polémique. Here you are also going to be giving some press articles, some excerpts. It's not going to be all the press articles, it's not going to be the entirety, but it's going to be extract of press articles, the argumentative press articles, polemic, that you are going to actually discuss about. So merci beaucoup. Si vous avez n'importe question pour moi, if you have any questions for me, s'il vous plaît, utilisez la section de commentaires dessus ce vidéo. Please make use of the comment section under this video, et n'hésitez pas à aimer et partager ce vidéo, and don't hesitate to share and like this video. Merci beaucoup, à la prochaine.